You can now deploy your Hono backends on Vercel with zero configuration, and it is really fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from nothing to live API in under 2 minutes. First thing we need to do is to initialize Hono framework. So we are in the documentation, we are going to get started, and we need this quick start command. I'm going to choose here pm, and I'm going to copy that one and paste it inside of my terminal. And now we are going to name my project just Hono, and here we are going to choose Vercel template. Then we're going to install all of our dependencies, why not? And we're going to choose pm package manager. Now everything is done, we can go to our project and open our code. Here it is, and it is really simple. We have this index.ts file, and we need to see this hello Hono. To learn more about Hono and Vercel, visit this link. So now let's try to run pm dev inside of our project, and this one is not working because from some reason Hono template for Vercel doesn't have that script. So let's add that one. We are adding here scripts, and we can use bun here to run our local environment, and now we can go pm dev, and we have everything running on localhost 3000, so we can see this locally. Now we need to deploy this to Vercel. To do that, we are going back to our terminal, and I'm going to open a new tab with the same directory, and I'm going to type in vc dev. So this one is basically Vercel command, and here we are initializing our project there. So we are going to set up and develop this project, yes. Then we are going to use scope for my project on Vercel. We are not going to link existing project. We need to create a new one, and it's going to be called Hono, just like this. And that project is located in this directory, so everything is being set up. We don't want to modify any settings for building command, development commands, and all these things. So now I typed in no, and we have this error from some reason. It is calling some yarn install. I'm not sure what it is. If you know, tell me in the comments below. So now if I go to my Vercel account, we're going to see Hono right here. So it is already on Vercel, and only thing left is to run like this vc deploy. And this one is going to deploy this Hono framework on our Vercel account, and we are going to see again that same landing page for our API. So now currently it's building, it's really fast, it's just maybe 10 seconds or something like that. And now we already have our domain here, hono-vercel.app, and we can see our API up and working in really this, like, was it 1 minute or 2 minutes, something like that. I think this is the quickest way to initialize and deploy your own backend. And there are also these templates on vercel.com. So we have here, for example, Hono on Vercel. I think this one is the same like we used here, but we have, for example, this Hono plus AI SDK. And this is really a great boilerplate if you want to create some AI app really quickly. So you can check out the demo also here, and it's really looking awesome. This can really be helpful. I'm going to leave you all the links so you can check it yourself in the description below. What we can do now is just go to our index.ts, and here we can drop as many routes as we want. For example, we can create users like this, and we can just put in this JSON with one John Doe user, and we can go back to terminal and run again vc deploy. So now that one is being deployed. Everything is going to be picked up by Vercel, zero configuration, like the title said. And now it's going to give us the preview link for this branch. And when that one is completed, here it is. So we can just take this domain right here, go to that one, and we can open /users. And we are getting here our JSON. Everything is working properly. And I can finally use my orcishapi.com domain that I bought, and I'm planning to create a dummy data API. So tell me in the comments below, would you like to see that long video? So that's basically creation of the whole API and also the front end where users can take all the URLs and use that API for development, for taking in the fake data and displaying something inside of their projects. For more content like this, Join the mighty Horde. Subscribe.